This video shows a presentation about unidentified flying objects. It uses an automatically generated mind map with records from WikiData. So if you're interested in how to use mind maps for presentation, or if you want to know more about unidentified flying objects, then stay tuned and watch this video. Unidentified flying object, unusual apparent anomaly in the sky that is not readily identifiable. The topic, unidentified flying object, in overview. Chile's witted UFO encounter, 1948 UFO encounter. Virginia UFO incident, alleged capture of an extraterrestrial being in Brazil in 1996. 2009 Norwegian spiral anomaly, lights observed in December 2009 in the night sky over Norway. Kenneth Arnold UFO sighting, 1947 UFO encounter. 2006 O'Hare International Airport UFO sighting, supposed paranormal event. 2007 Alderney UFO sighting, alleged UFO sighting. Manas's UFO incident, antimateria. Gulf Breeze UFO incident, 1987 UFO sighting in Gulf Breeze, Florida. Mariana UFO incident, 1950 UFO sighting. Spey UFO case, 1950 sighting of an unidentified flying object. Levelland UFO case, UFO incident in Texas, United States in 1957. Little Rissington UFO incident, alleged UFO sighting in 1952. Malmstrom UFO incident, alleged paranormal event. USS Nimitz UFO incident, encounter between U.S. Navy fighters and unknown object. White flying object observed on June 17, 2020. White flying object observed over Tohoku region, Japan on June 17, 2020. The topic, Chile's witted UFO encounter, in overview. UFO sighting, reported sighting of a UFO. The topic, UFO sighting, in overview. Kecksburg UFO incident, 1965 purported UFO sighting in North America. Aurora, Texas, UFO incident, alleged UFO crash in the United States in 1897. Val Johnson incident, alleged 1979 UFO encounter in the United States. Robert Taylor incident, 1979 UFO sighting and potential alien abduction in West Lothian, Scotland. Exeter incident, UFO sighting in New Hampshire in 1965. Jimmy Carter UFO incident, incident regarding sighting of a UFO. Zanfretta UFO incident, alleged 1978 alien abduction in Italy. Ruawi UFO incident, 1990 for sighting in Zimbabwe. Flight 105 UFO sighting in 1947. Lonnie Zamora incident, alleged UFO sighting. The topic, Zanfretta UFO incident, in overview. Alien abduction, memory of being taken against one's will. The topic, alien abduction, in overview. Ufology, study of UFOs. Mortimer Goth, fictional character from the Sims video game series. Bella Goth, fictional character from the Sims video game series. Travis Walton UFO incident, American alleged alien abduction. Betty and Barney Hill abduction, alleged UFO abduction event. Pascagoula abduction, alleged 1973 alien abduction in Mississippi. The topic, ufology, in overview. Ebonis, ufology term. Ufologist, person who specializes in ufology. Branch of science, different branches of science in this world. Branch of pseudoscience, discipline which is claimed to be scientific, but fails to meet the criteria of a science. Marfa lights, unusual lights seen in West Texas. The topic, Travis Walton UFO incident, in overview. Kidnapping, taking away or transportation of a person against that person's will. The topic, Lonnie Zamora incident, in overview. Lonnie Zamora, police officer. The topic, 2009 Norwegian spiral anomaly, in overview. Phenomenon, any object, fact, or occurrence perceived or observed. RSM-56 Belava, submarine-launched ballistic missile for the Russian Navy. The topic, Malmstrom UFO incident, in overview. Occurrence of a fact or object in spacetime, instantiation of a property in an object.